if she's not in an aggressive manner because she's got her tail wagging up.
Yeah. She seems to like him.
Seems like she's getting ready to play with him.
Seems like she wants to play.
Well, actually, if she was a pit, she seems like as if she wants to get fucked, but that's what you said.
She better get around here.
She wants to play. She wants to play.
Yeah, do you have this on video?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, she wants to play. Oh my god.
Wow.
Oh my god. Oh my god, that is so cute.
I've never seen
The aggressive beast wants to play.
I've never seen her do that.
Well, maybe that'll take her out of her little depression state.
Yeah, I guess it would. You figure how many other dogs does she really come across out here? Yes.
She's like, God damn it, he don't want to play no more.
Mama, how'd you get down there? That's one.
She asked me to put her down there. What are you doing?
Still recording? From the time she was playing?
Yeah.
Cut it and start it over.